Hello and welcome to the Farming 4.0 channel. Today we will talk about harvesting and preparing cherries for the market, a crucial process to ensure the highest quality fruits reach store shelves and your homes. From the perfect time to harvest to the methods of packaging and transport, we will guide you through every important step. If you enjoy our videos and want to stay updated with the latest information and techniques in agriculture, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll always be the first to learn the newest tricks and tips in the agricultural field. Let's get started. The shaker machine has radically transformed cherry harvesting, bringing efficiency and precision to a process that was previously manual and labor-intensive. It uses a shaking arm which, through controlled vibrations, causes the fruit to fall, and a collection system that gathers the fallen cherries. Technology is advancing, bringing shaker machines equipped with artificial intelligence for more delicate and efficient harvests. In conclusion, these machines represent a revolutionary and promising solution for modern agriculture. Cherry-picking machines are indeed useful, but they are not fully autonomous and therefore still require human intervention to be efficient. For example, operators need to configure and monitor the equipment, ensure that the machine is positioned correctly to pick the fruits without damaging the trees, and manage the collection and transport of the harvested cherries. However, agricultural technology continues to advance. And in the future, we may see more advanced and autonomous solutions that further reduce the need for human intervention. For now, a hybrid approach combining cherry-picking machines with human workers seems to be the most efficient. Once harvested, the cherries are transported to factories, where they undergo a meticulous washing process to remove all contaminants. This step is crucial to ensure that the fruits reach consumers fresh and safe. The factories employ advanced washing and cleaning technologies designed to meet high standards of hygiene and food safety. This way, consumers can trust that the cherries they purchase are fresh and clean, providing them with a pleasant and healthy tasting experience. washed in factories, cherries undergo several stages depending on their final destination and the specific processes of the factory. Cherries are sorted based on size, color, and quality. This process can be done manually or with the help of automated machines that detect and remove unsuitable fruits. The sorted fruits are packed into boxes or containers suitable for transportation and storage. Packaging may vary according to market requirements or customer preferences. In some cases, cherries are labeled with information about their origin, quality, and other details relevant to consumers. The packaged cherries are then stored under controlled temperature and humidity conditions to maintain freshness and extend their shelf life. After preparation in the factory, cherries are distributed to stores, markets, or other points of sale where they reach consumers. At each stage, it is important to adhere to strict hygiene and food safety regulations to ensure that the products reach consumers in optimal condition. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with new videos and to always learn something new. See you next time. Bye.